Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Bori. Thank you very much for watching right now. Just making a video of getting this bike ready for the road. And what I'm gonna do right now is the first thing we have to do is get some air in these tires. And these tires so these tires inflate to 60 psi. These are 26-inch tires, so they fill up to 60 psi. And already the bike has gained height. So I'll put the tire gauge here to fill up the pressure to 60 psi on this bicycle pump. It's there's a little arrow you put when it hits 60 psi. So I'll just fill her up till it says 60 on the arrow. And if it blows up, and I think it might, but you gotta fill it up to 60 psi, it says. Let's see, unless it's 40. I forgot. Oh, we can check. I think that's enough right there. That's at 40 psi, and I think that's enough. Let's go to the other side. Fill her up also. I'm just wearing my my house clothes. I haven't even gotten ready for the day because I was just bored at the house. Decided to make a video for YouTube working on the bike because I want to get this bike going. So we've inflated both tires, and now the bike is sitting a little higher. Okay, so now the next thing I want to do on the bike is put the side cover back on. torque converter cover, put that back on. So I put the side cover on. And now I'm going to be adding the back fender because I don't want any dirt to come and we need to put the screws. I need to get the screws in my garage for those parts. But so far it's gonna look just like that. What's up, guys? I'm making a video while working on my bike right now. Anthony Sanchez, sounds good. Like you're charging your phone, homie. Oh, maybe it's too close to the let me turn the charger off then. Maybe that is. How about there? Does it sound good now? Oh, okay, yeah, because I was charging my phone. My bad. But right now I have the side cover and the fender back on. And now I'm going to add the, I'm not sure. I'm going to put the seat on right now, but I wasn't sure if I was going to use another seat or this seat here, but this is the moped seat with the springer, with this spring action. So we'll put this on. Straighten it up, and that has a cushion and a spring action, and then the that'll be our suspension for this, just to get it going and on the road for now till we get a better seat. But I have this other seat that I was planning to use. This seat goes like this, goes on here, and then mounts with shocks in the back. I was going to use that seat, but which seat should I use? That seat is more for a chopper. But we got this Springer seat, which will work a little better. So we'll take this off and use this for the OCC chopper. And we have a guest right here that is trying to get out of the door, which is the mini cat. I need to cut this and place this in there, in the back over there, but I have to grind it down, cut it, then place it where I want it. The chain guard. But so far we have this Yeah, that seat looks very ugly. But we'll get a better seat. I'll have to order a seat for that bike.